But you must keep it, you must take care of it. No broken parts. Paint chip is normal for a toy. It's tolerable because they know at each age the paint may be chipping up. But the broken part, you will be careful. I only have 20 to 30 figure right now, and I get older. I'm gonna try buying figures to replace the other figure that I lost, broke or lose. Then it's a good idea. That's why I make sure that I have 2 copies of every Transformer character I like. You know, it's like a spare. I have a spare one. The other one you can transform it into a vehicle mode, and the other one can you transform it into a robot mode. In the future, it's hard to find. Just like that knockout. You can go to the store, you can go to the Transformer or toy store, but you can't see that figure. You can see that figure because toys are seasonal. They call it seasonal. There's a season that they release that kind of toy, and after that, nothing. Unless they're gonna release again. But if they release again that toy, for sure it's high price. You know, so that you know, we're lucky to have that kind of toys. So that we should keep it, take care of it. In the future, it's an investment. At the same time, the joy that they gave to you because you have that toy, especially when you have a community group in Facebook. There are a lot of community group in a Facebook that they even in YouTube. There are a lot of Transformer community there. If you're a member of that, then they ask if somebody have that figure, you'll be proud to yourself to have that figure because you keep it, you deserve it. Then show it to the people so that they know that there's a certain type of toy that exists and you have it, and sooner or later if you take care of it, it's gonna make a fortune. You know it. And I hope you enjoy, and also yeah, that's good idea. Yeah, it's a good idea because it's not a debt investment, it's a good investment. Just like collecting a gold, just like collecting all the piece of what you call it, collectible things. Toys are collectibles. A lot of people enjoy collecting things. I have Optimus Prime McDonald toy. It's precious. Imagine 2016 you keep that. And also you know what you call it, reminiscing. It's reminiscing when you reminisce the year, especially in 2016. You remember how old am I that time, 2016. Then I have this toy, and also what joy that toy bring to you. It's a memories, you know. So you must keep it. You must be proud to yourself for keeping that 2016 Optimus Prime. My mom gave me when I was in 3. See, you was in 3, but you keep it, and you're doing great, brother. It's RID Optimus Prime, robot in disguise Optimus Prime. It's like this one. You know this one? It's RID. Robot in disguise Optimus Prime. I have two. I have first edition, and I also have robot in disguise. This one. See, it's cool.